Hey everyone, today we're making a special and unique drink, Cannabis Margarita, a perfect mix of tequila, orange lime, and a magical secret ingredient, yes, cannabis. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and if cannabis is not legal where you live, you can skip that ingredient or use a substitute. Also, always consume responsibly and in moderation. Let's dive into the ingredients and get started. Ingredients: Tequila Blanco, silver or white tequila, 50 milliliters. Orange liqueur, triple sec or Cointreau, 25 milliliters. Fresh lime juice, 25 milliliters. Cannabis-infused. Simple syrup, 10 milliliters. I'll show you how to make this syrup in a moment. Ice, for the shaker and the glass salt, and a lime wedge for rimming the glass, margarita glass. All right, everything is ready, but before we start, let's learn how to make the cannabis-infused simple syrup. Ingredients: white sugar, 1 cup water, 1 cup ground cannabis, decarboxylated, about 1 to 2 grams, depending on your desired potency. Steps: decarboxylating the cannabis, preheat your oven to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, 115 to 120 degrees Celsius. Spread the ground cannabis on a baking sheet and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. This process activates the THC and CBD in the cannabis, making the syrup. In a small saucepan, combine the sugar and water over low heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Add the decarboxylated cannabis to the mixture and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. Make sure it doesn't boil. Straining. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the syrup and remove the cannabis solids. Pour the syrup into a clean jar and let it cool. You can store this syrup in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. That's it. The infused syrup is ready. Now let's get back to making our cannabis margarita. How to make the cannabis margarita. Rim the glass. Take a lime wedge and rub it around the rim of your margarita glass. Dip the rim into a plate of salt to coat it. This gives the drink a fancy look and balances the flavors. 2. Mix the ingredients. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add 50 milliliters of tequila, 25 milliliters of orange liqueur, 25 milliliters of lime juice, and 10 milliliters of the cannabis-infused simple syrup. Secure the shaker lid and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds to mix and chill the ingredients. 3. Serve the drink. Fill your margarita glass with fresh ice. Strain the contents of the shaker into the glass. Garnish with a lime wedge on the rim for a touch of style. And that's it, my friends. Our cannabis margarita is ready to enjoy. It's citrusy, sweet, and has that unique twist that makes it so special. Perfect for a chill evening or impressing your friends at a party. If you love this recipe and want to see more unique cocktail ideas or other fun content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the next exciting recipe. Hit that bell icon too, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below and let us know. What's your favorite cocktail or what should we make next? We love hearing your ideas. Until next time, stay awesome, drink responsibly, and cheers.